Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of My Perfumes. House of My Perfumes is another Middle Eastern perfume house from United Arab Emirates, and they've been around for more than 30 years, but lately they upped their game and they've been making amazing fragrances. I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, and each of them impressed me a lot. So this one is from their Arabiyat Prestige lineup. Arabiyat Prestige is like higher tier or luxury lineup from them, and this one in particular called Attar Al Youm. Attar Al Youm. So this is again very thick cardboard box, very heavy, very nice on the hand, nice on the eye. Attention to detail is always very good with Arabiyat Prestige. Okay, sorry about the noise. This one you can find it in United Kingdom. You can find it under £30. So very thick cardboard, very heavy. Again, attention to details, very nice. It's a dark brown color with gold trimming, very attractive on the eye. And it opens like a book, like this one, and look at this, beautiful. So the bottle is attractive as always with Arabiyat Prestige, especially for a price under £30. This is very good looking and nice looking and very attractive and very sexy. Okay, wow, look at this, beautiful. The bottle is very heavy. The cap, here we go. So let's see the cap. The cap is weight to it and metal. It's quite heavy. It's got said Arabiyat Prestige on top, and we got the gold atomizer. And it says in front Attar Al Youm. It's very heavy bottle. It's very thick. Alright, here we go. Very good spray. It gives a mist out, but it's not pressurized, but it is very good. So how is Attar Al Youm by Arabiyat Prestige 100 ml at a perfume is targeted unisex? And here we go. First impression. Ooh, beauty, gorgeous. This is this is a proper perfume. Gorgeous, very attractive. So first thing is the quality of it. Wow, what a beauty, what a quality. No harshness, no alcohol, no syntheticness. It's just beautiful fragrance, beautiful perfume, straight to the perfume, and it's very high quality in here. Sweet, so again I'm getting some sweetness, and the sweetness looks like it's a vanilla in here, but again it's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very nicely balanced with everything else. I guess a little bit of spicy hint in here, cinnamon definitely, maybe a little bit of nutmeg and clove to give it a more spicy tinge to it, but at the moment they are in the background. They are not huge, but I can detect them. Definitely floral mid. The floral is, to my nose, is combination of rose and jasmine, and they are 50-50 in here. None of them are taking over, so 50-50. You got 50% rose and 50% jasmine, and they are very working together very well. They're not undermining each other. They're not too much, not too little. Just a perfection. It smells heavenly. Apart from the vanilla, I smell something like a hint of chocolate and a hint of caramel in here, so it makes it sweeter even. So from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest right now for the first impression is around 8 to 9, so it's very sweet. But because all the players in here are done so well and it balances everything out, it's not too much, although it is very sweet, but it's not too much. It's not running away, it's not sickening. I'm smelling something fruity in here, and the fruits are dry fruits. It's not a fresh fruit, it's a dry fruit. Overall this is quite dark, dark fragrance, and is deep, dense, is thick, and definitely better suited for cooler weather, winter. Right now we are in middle of autumn, and it's perfect for this weather. I can detect some ambery body in here as well. The amber is, again, is resinous, thick, is dark, is deep, is gooey, is sticky. OMG, this is gorgeous. This is up my alley. I'm absolutely loving it. Yeah, in the base I can detect some woods, but the woods, there is a little bit of wood in here, but the wood is very, very palatable, is very universally palated, is very safe, is very shall we say, on this friendly side. It's nothing in here is funky, nothing is out of place, nothing is too much, is nothing, it's not barnyard or harsh. No, it's very smooth and very rounded from the it's just when you open up, it opened up like a buttery smooth. There's some little bit of earthiness. I'm detecting something like a chocolatey feel, and the chocolatey feel probably is come from patchouli, because I can detect something chocolatey, and that is telltale sign of patchouli. And the patchouli in here is to die for. It's gorgeous. It works with everything else very well, and it adds to the darkness of it. Overall, it's not very, very dark, but it is quite dark. From 0 to 10, 10 being the darkest, this is around 5 to 6. So it is quite dark, but it's not overly dark. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So there's no almost there's no citrus in here. So it opened up, very sweet, hint of spices, cinnamon, definitely, little bit of clove, little of nutmeg to give it that nutty feel. Add to the complexity of the body of this fragrance, and also to the overall smell of it. It's beautiful. And then it goes to the mid, which is dominated by florals. The florals here is mainly the rose and the jasmine. The jasmine and rose here are working superbly well together. It's just making it gorgeous, very smooth. And after that, there are other players like caramel, a little of chocolate. Definitely woody base. There's oud, but the oud in here is just giving it that warmth and that resin feel. As I said before, very, very friendly oud, very palatable, very, very inviting, very relaxing, and it's not one of those challenging whatsoever. And in the base we have vanilla, which is again add to that smoothness. Overall this is like a silky smooth, superbly smooth, very, very rounded, very smooth, very well blended, absolutely gorgeous. It smells like 200 pounds plus. This is gorgeous, guys. I am surprised how good it smells, and how deep and dense and thick, resinous and complex this beautiful perfume is. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so that's for the first impression. Who is it for? Definitely 25 and up, because even though this is a gorgeous fragrance, this is true Oriental. So this is very, very Oriental. It's very deep. It's very complex. It's quite dark, and it's very resinous. It's very gooey. It's very thick. It's very sticky. So a young nose, I don't think they will appreciate it, but for me, I'm a middle-aged man, I'm absolutely loving it. In terms of sex, definitely unisex, bang in the middle, no problem, anybody can wear, woman and man. To my nose, this is absolutely unisex. This is one of those universal fragrances. In terms of season, as I said, better suited for cooler weather, but you can get away in a very cool, summer and spring if you control the trigger. But it's better suited for cooler weather, and it will be beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's so sensual, so sexy, and it's definitely, this is very opulent, higher end perfumery, so it's very good for going out, for special occasion, for evening, for close encounter, for dating, for maybe even wedding, for you know, any special occasion. This is just gorgeous to the max. Very, very well done. Hint of smokiness to it, not much. Hint of dustiness and smokiness, little bit, and a little bit of ashiness to it as well. Not much. It's just a hint of it to making it even more complex. What else? Absolutely loving it. Giving it 10 thumbs up. Beautiful. It just, to me, this is a no-brainer. Under £30, you're joking me. How can they manage that? It's just amazing. The quality, the smell, the perfumery, it's just high end. This smells like a very high end niche. Okay, smells like 200 plus, easy guys. Wow, I'm absolutely loving it. Okay guys, so this was the first impression. In the next video I'll let you do the longevity, development, things like that. But right now it's filling the room, filling the house. It looks like it's going to be very, very long lasting. Okay, so if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future. Nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, I'm a perfumer myself. I have my own perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, and there are true handmade perfumes. They are out of this world. They are super artistic, very mesmerizingly beautiful. They are very unusual, and they are mysterious, mesmerizing, but you need to live in that kingdom in order to purchase them. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.